Hello and welcome back to Things Simplified channel. Let's learn C programming. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive notifications regarding such videos. Share among your friends, someone will need it. Till now we have seen how to use for loop. Now we will see most important decision making statement, that is if else condition statement. Before proceeding to if else statement, it is necessary to know the operators in C. Okay. So let us write what are the operators in C. I will include one comment. Okay. Now the operators in C are plus for addition, minus for subtraction, slash for division, then star for multiplication. A into B is A star B. Then two more additional and most important things are operators are plus plus and minus minus, right? Now and then for logical operators. Logical operators is for comparison of two strings or a comparison of numbers. One is greater than, one is less than, another is less than equal to, another is greater than equal to, and double equal to sign for is equal to, right? If A is equal to B, A is equal to B, right? Then not equal to. This is a not operator, not equal to, right? Now we will see each of these in action, right? Now let us define two integer variables, I1 equal to say we'll initialize it to 50, int I2 is equal to 100, right? So now we will see how addition works, how subtraction works, how slash works, slash that is division works, and how multiplication works, and how plus plus and minus minus work. Now let us print plus sign, percentage D, that is format specifier, percentage D backslash n for next line. Now here we will add I1 plus I2, right? Okay. Now we will try to print subtraction. Subtraction percentage D backslash n I2 minus I1, right? Now we'll see how the division works. Print here division percentage D backslash n I1 divided by I2, right? Now we'll see how multiplication works. Print here star percentage D backslash n comma I1 into I2. Okay, let us check these four first. save, compile, gcc test2.c dash o test2. Okay, there are no errors. Test2. See now, addition is, it gave 150, subtraction it gave 50 because we subtracted 50 from 100. Then we divided I1 by I2. I1 by I2, now it has printed 0 because the value of 50 divided by 100 is not an integer, it is a float. Okay. And now the multiplication, it is I1 into I2, that is 50 into 100 is 5000, right? So for division, we have to take care that the answer should not come as a decimal point. Otherwise, this percentage D will fail, right? So for this, we have to provide float numbers. Now we will see how does this double plus double minus work. Now we know, we'll print first, printf value of I1. I1 is percentage D comma I1. Then we'll print then I1 is sufficient. And now we'll check the effect of this plus plus, I1 plus plus equal to percentage D backslash n I1 plus plus. Okay. Now after this, we'll print again the position of I1. I1 equal to percentage D backslash en I1, right? We will just copy these two and paste it here, and we will see now what is the effect. Plus plus I1 plus plus, we'll see what is I2 because we already have two integers. So let us check plus plus and before plus plus, right? So here I2 plus plus, right? Now here, after this operation, what has happened to I2, right? Is it right? So here first it will print value of I1 and then apply this operator I1 plus plus. Then we will see what is I1. Similarly now we will see what is there in I2. Printed I2 equal to percentage D backslash n I2, right? Now firstly it will print what is the value of I2, and then we will apply this plus plus I2. Then we will see what it is printed, and after this operation what happens to I2, right? So now we'll save this and we'll compile and check. GCC test2. Okay, test2. Right. Now, first four are same, 150. Now here it will print now I1 is equal to 50, right? Now we'll apply this I1 plus plus. I1 plus plus, it is still showing 50, right? And then in the next line, I1 has become 51. How is this? Here what happens is, when we use word to expression I1 plus plus, now here only the value of I1 will be printed. Once it is printed or once it is evaluated, I1 plus plus evaluated, then the value of I1 is increased by 1, right? Similarly, I2 here is 100. So before applying this expression, it will add 1 to I2 and then show it. We will check now. Yes, I2 is 100 plus plus I2 will be 101 because uh, 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 it will add 1 and then it will display the number. So I2 has become 101. This is this I plus plus and minus minus operators are a little bit confusing at the beginning, but when you understand it thoroughly, it becomes easier for you to apply in your real logic. Now we saw how to use arithmetic operators like plus, minus, division and multiplication. Now let us see how to use the logical operators, that is greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, is equal to, not equal to, right? So how to use this? We have to use a conditional statement, if else statement. I will show you one example. Now we already know now the value of I1 is 50 and I2 is 100. Now let us check through the conditional statements. If, what happened here? Okay. If, okay. Now we have to mention the condition. A condition is to be included within brackets. Now we'll see if I1 is less than I2, that is 50 is less than 100. We'll check. Now if I1 less than I2, if this condition evolves to true, that is in this case 50 is less than 100, now it should evolve to true, then open the curly brackets and whatever we write within these curly brackets, it is executed, right? So right now we'll just print out the condition. Printf will say yes, I1 is less than I2, okay, \n, right. Shall we check? Or other now here else will put, else if I1 is not less than I2, then we'll print no, I1 is not less than I2, \n, right. Okay, now we'll check. Save, compile, run the program. Now see, yes, I1 is less than I2, right? Now suppose we check it opposite. like say we'll check whether if I1 is greater than I2. Okay, brackets, and we'll print it here. Printf. Yes, I1 is greater than I2. Backslash n semicolon. Right. Now else printf no, I1 is not more than greater than more than I2. We'll save this. Compile and execute. See, no, I1 is not more than I2 because I1 is 50. 50 is not more than 100. Right? So now here, since then, what is a comparison between I1 and I2? So for that case, you can have one more if here, like else if, again mention the condition, else if I1 is equal to I2, I1 is equal to I2, then what it should print? It should printf, yes, I1 is equal to I2. Right? Now here again end of this bracket. Now then still then the all the comparison are not over. Now I1 is not less than 12, I1 is not greater than 12. That means I1 is equal to 12. We have to complete the brackets, otherwise it will give errors. Okay. Always we have to match. Right. Shall we check now? Again compile. See, yes, it has given error. Okay. My syntax is wrong somewhere. Yes, I1 is equal to I2. I have not completed the quotes. And minus. Right. Save. Again compile. Yes, no errors. Execute. Yes. I1 is less than I2. It has executed. Now it knows. Else if else now there will can be another else I1 is less than 12. Okay, this is your now we will combine these two. Else if right, this is perfect. Now it can be less than, greater than, or equal to. Yes, I1 is less than I2. This is executed. Now, let us change to interchange the values. We'll make I1 as 100 and I2 as 50 and check the result. Again compile. Any changes you make to the source code, we need to compile and run it. Let's do. Yes, I1 is greater than I2. That means this it has executed now. This condition is true now. Earlier this condition was true. Now this condition is true. Now whether we'll check it is equal to. Both will make it 100. Right? And then compile and check. I1 is equal to I2. Now we will see how to use and or operator. Now for this let us declare two more integers. Integer int1 is equal to, let us say it will be 50. int2 int int2 is equal to 50. Same, right? Now we will write one if statement using and. Now if open parenthesis, if int1 is equal to 50, remember to use double equal to sign for is equal to. Now we will check whether this is equal to int2 is equal to 50. Now how to combine these two? By using and. Double ampersand operator is used for and. Int2 is equal to 50. Now I will say, now if this condition is true, then it will print I1 is equal to 50, I1 is equal to 50, I2 equal to 50, right? Now else if int1 is equal to 50 and int2 not equal to 50, then we will write another else statement here. Else this should print now. Printf I equal to 50, int1, int2, int1 and int2 are not equal. Okay. Now in this case both are same, so it has to print this, right? Int1 is equal to 50, int2 is equal to 50. Now we'll compile and check. gcc test2.c -o test2. Okay, now it is compiled correctly, test2. Right. So now this int1 is equal to 50 and int2 is equal to 50. This is the answer we got. Because here in this case both are equal to 50. This got printed. Now we will change the values of these two and then check whether this int1 and int2 are not equal will get printed or not. Let us make this 60. Save it, compile it and check again. Right now int1 and int2 are not equal. Similarly, we can use OR operator. How to define OR operator? OR operator can be defined by using double pipe. This is the character which is placed above the backslash character on the keyboard. This is called pipe. Okay. Now it is one exercise for you to check this condition or instead of and check the result. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications of such videos. Thank you so much.